In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play against yourself on chess.com, which is a fantastic way to practice and hone your skills. Playing against yourself can be incredibly insightful as it helps you understand your strengths and weaknesses and ultimately improve your game. So let's dive in and walk through the steps to get started with this. First, you'll need to head over to chess.com. It's a widely used platform offering a variety of chess games and an excellent resource for both beginners and seasoned players. Once you're on the website, look at the left middle corner of the page where you'll find the login option. Go ahead and click on it to begin the process of accessing your account. Next, you'll see fields to enter your username and password. Simply type these in if you have a chess.com account and you're on your way. If you've set up your account using platforms like Google, Apple or Facebook, you should see those options available as well. Clicking on one of these will take you through a straightforward login process using your respective account credentials. For those of you using a Google account, just click on the associated Gmail account once you've initiated the login with Google option, which is a preferred method for many for its ease of use. After this step, you'll find yourself on the main chess.com page, ready to explore further. Hovering over the Learn section in the left side menu opens up a range of options that help deepen your chess knowledge. From here we want to choose Analysis. This is the section where you can delve into playing a simulated game against yourself. Now that you're in the Analysis section, you have the freedom to start your self-match. Playing against yourself allows you to test strategies, plan your moves meticulously, and see the game from both sides of the board. It's a fantastic exercise to better understand different tactics without the pressure of an opponent reacting. You can take your time to analyze each move and even backtrack if needed, refining your thought process and developing a more strategic approach to chess. By practicing in this manner, you'll be able to see both your capabilities and areas that might need more focus. It's an invaluable tool for self-improvement in chess, which can lead to better performance in competitive play. So enjoy your practice session, make the most out of this opportunity to learn, and watch your chess skills grow. Thank you for joining me today, and be sure to check out more tutorials for more advanced tips and strategies.